Common issues that affect AC performance can range from dirty filters to low refrigerant levels. It's important to address these issues promptly to ensure optimal cooling system efficiency. Air conditioning maintenance experts can help identify and fix these issues before they escalate into major problems. Emergency AC repair services may be necessary for more serious issues that require immediate attention. Local AC repair businesses, like Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida, have professional air conditioning technicians who can provide efficient solutions to common AC problems. Cooling system technicians are equipped to handle a variety of issues, including faulty thermostats, clogged ducts, and leaking refrigerant. By addressing these issues promptly, you can prevent further damage to your AC unit and ensure a comfortable indoor environment. Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida, provided excellent service for all my AC repair needs, demonstrating their expertise and professionalism in the field. Trusting your AC repair to professionals like them can save you time, money, and hassle in the long run. When it comes to maintaining a comfortable indoor environment, your AC system plays a crucial role. However, like any other mechanical system, your AC unit may require repairs and maintenance from time to time. Signs that your AC system needs repair include poor airflow, strange noises, unpleasant odors, and frequent cycling on and off. In such situations, it is essential to seek the expertise of residential HVAC repair services. AC unit repair specialists, experienced HVAC technicians, and certified HVAC repair companies can help diagnose the issue and provide the necessary repairs to get your AC system up and running efficiently again. Additionally, AC system maintenance providers can offer regular maintenance services to prevent future breakdowns and extend the lifespan of your unit. I recently experienced issues with my AC system and reached out to Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida for assistance. Their team of experienced HVAC technicians quickly identified the problem and provided efficient repairs, ensuring that my home stayed cool and comfortable. Bold City Heating and Air's professionalism and expertise truly set them apart as a top choice for AC repair services. When it comes to maintaining a comfortable home environment, a properly functioning air conditioning system is essential. However, issues may arise that require troubleshooting in order to get your AC unit back up and running efficiently. It's important to have a basic understanding of common AC problems and how to address them. One of the first steps in troubleshooting your air conditioning system is to check for any obvious issues, such as a clogged air filter or a tripped circuit breaker. If you are unable to identify the problem on your own, it may be time to enlist the help of trusted air conditioning repair services. Reliable cooling system repair companies can provide the expertise needed to diagnose and fix more complex issues with your AC unit. In Jacksonville, Florida, Bold City Heating and Air is a go-to choice for affordable AC repair technicians who can assist with residential air conditioning repair. Their team of experts also offers emergency air conditioning repair services for urgent situations. With their professional assistance, you can rest assured that your AC system will be back up and running in no time. When it comes to AC repair, having a reliable HVAC professional is crucial. Local HVAC repair companies, home cooling system specialists, licensed HVAC contractors, air conditioner repair technicians, and quality HVAC service providers all play a vital role in ensuring that your cooling system is running smoothly. These professionals have the expertise and experience to diagnose issues, perform repairs, and provide regular maintenance to keep your AC unit in top condition. I recently had the pleasure of working with Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida, and I can confidently say that they exemplify what it means to be a quality HVAC service provider. Their team of licensed HVAC contractors and air conditioner repair technicians were able to address all of my AC repair needs promptly and efficiently. From diagnosing the issue to completing the repairs, Bold City Heating and Air provided top-notch service every step of the way. I highly recommend their services to anyone in need of AC repair in the Jacksonville area. When it comes to keeping your home cool during the hot summer months, energy-efficient solutions are key. Investing in residential heating and cooling repair services can help ensure that your HVAC system is running at its best, saving you money on energy bills in the long run. Emergency HVAC repair specialists are also available to help with any unexpected issues that may arise. Trusted AC repair professionals, like Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida, can provide affordable air conditioning maintenance services to keep your system running efficiently. As local heating and cooling experts, they understand the unique needs of homeowners in the area and can recommend the best solutions for your home. Bold City Heating and Air helped me with everything I just talked about, providing top-notch service and expertise when it comes to energy-efficient cooling solutions for my home. Their team of professionals truly goes above and beyond to ensure customer satisfaction. When it comes to maintaining a comfortable indoor environment, understanding the basics of air conditioning systems is essential. Home HVAC system repair companies, certified air conditioning technicians, reliable HVAC maintenance providers, experienced AC unit repair specialists, and professional cooling system technicians all play a vital role in ensuring that your AC unit functions properly. As an expert in the industry, I can attest to the importance of regular maintenance and prompt repairs when it comes to keeping your air conditioning system running smoothly. Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida has a team of knowledgeable professionals who helped me with everything I just talked about. Their certified technicians are experienced in handling a wide range of AC issues, from minor repairs to major system overhauls. With their reliable services, I can rest assured that my home will stay cool and comfortable all year round. Trusting a reputable company like Bold City Heating and Air for your HVAC needs is a decision you won't regret. When it comes to maintaining the lifespan of your AC unit, there are a few key tips to keep in mind. Regular maintenance is essential to ensure that your unit is running efficiently and effectively. This includes changing air filters regularly, cleaning the unit's coils, and ensuring that all components are in good working order. Licensed HVAC technicians are crucial for conducting thorough inspections and identifying any potential issues before they become major problems. Quality air conditioning repair companies, like Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida, offer reliable services to keep your AC unit in top condition. Trusted heating and cooling specialists can provide expert advice on how to extend the lifespan of your unit and maximize its efficiency. Affordable HVAC contractors can help with any necessary repairs or maintenance to ensure that your AC unit continues to operate smoothly. By following these tips and seeking assistance from experienced professionals, you can extend the lifespan of your AC unit and keep your home cool and comfortable throughout the year. When it comes to maintaining your air conditioning system, it's important to consider the climate in which you live. Extreme temperatures, humidity levels, and seasonal changes can all impact the performance of your AC unit. That's why it's crucial to have a reliable HVAC service provider on call for any emergency air conditioner repair services or routine maintenance needs. Local AC maintenance experts understand the unique climate challenges that homeowners face in Jacksonville, Florida. Home cooling system repair companies, like Bold City Heating and Air, are certified HVAC service providers that offer top-notch services to ensure your AC unit is running efficiently all year round. With reliable air conditioning repair technicians at your disposal, you can rest easy knowing that your cooling system is in good hands. Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida helped me navigate the climate considerations for AC maintenance, providing expert advice and timely services to keep my home comfortable no matter the weather outside. Their team of professionals truly understand the importance of climate-appropriate maintenance for optimal AC performance.